Today we're gonna make a grilled ribeye steak sandwich and it's gonna be amazing. Now get your stuff. We're gonna cut out the heart of the ribeye, but we're not gonna waste any bit of it. Season however you like. I personally like Suckle Buster's Campfire Steak Seasoning. You can find that and more on our website. Grill it at 350 to however you like it. Cut your onion into slices and chop your garlic and wrap it in foil, oil, and salt, and go ahead and put that on the grill for like 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cook your onion with some butter and saute it until it caramelizes. While that's cooking, in a bowl, mix mayo, roasted garlic, basil, oregano, and Worcestershire sauce. Set that aside and fry an egg or two. Now time to build a sandwich. Sauce the bun, add the onions, get the steak, your choice of cheese, but I went with provolone. Get the egg, and now wait for it. Damn, look at that! Now go ahead and plate it if you want. I did, but it didn't really last that long.